Hello lovies, welcome to my channel. I'm MOTOLA. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. So today we'll be making detox water, lemon, cucumber and apple infused water. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 red apple, lemon and 800 ml of water. You can use green apple as your choice. You slice what as so. Detox lemon, cucumber and apple water is quick and easy way to infuse your everyday water with flavor. It's also great for healthy skin, weight loss, inflammation. Is a perfect way to increase your water intake. If you are looking for more ways to drink water, you need this. Just try it out, you enjoy it. Healthy benefits: it improves hydration, it's a good source of vitamin C, it supports weight loss, it improves your skin quality, it delivers antioxidants and it prevents cancer, it lowers your blood pressure, it supports your skin, it improves bones, it aids digestion, freshens your breath and it reduces inflammation. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Kindly turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Kindly check other videos out. Kindly request for any video you want me to do next on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to drop a comment down at the comment section. Yeah, I will leave you to enjoy this video till the end. Thank you. Ciao.